Hello students, how are you? Okay, so let me welcome all of you to our new maths class. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is subtraction. All of you know about subtraction. What is subtraction? Okay, subtraction is the mathematical function doing for finding some difference between numbers. This is the subtraction. Let me check more about subtraction in this chapter. Before doing subtraction, we needed to remind some point related to it. What are the points to be reminded for doing subtraction? That I am discussed here. First one, before subtracting, we needed to remember one thing. Always small number subtract from big number. Okay. Then another point to be reminded, that is, the greatest number is called minuend and the smallest number in the subtraction is called subtrahend. These are the main three elements or points we want to remind when we are doing the subtraction. I just point out this point in here board. To be reminded when we are doing subtraction, first, smaller number is always subtract from greater one. Then second point is greater number is called minuend and smaller number is called subtrahend. These are the three important points we needed to remind while we are doing the subtraction problem. I hope all of you clear about this topic. Okay, so after that, we needed to find what are the conditions or properties related to subtraction. Let me check what are the properties related to subtraction. There are some three important properties related to subtraction. First one is subtracting 0 and second property is subtracting 1. And third property is subtracting numbers from itself. These are the three important properties related to subtraction. I just mentioned here. Properties of subtraction. There are mainly three properties. First one, subtracting 0 and second property is subtracting 1 and the third property is subtracting numbers from itself. These are the three important properties related to subtraction. Let me check what will we do on this accordance with this property. When we are subtracting 0 from any number, we get the difference number itself. There is no change in the value of number. When we are doing subtracting 0 from any number, we get the difference as number itself. We get the difference as number itself. This is the property of subtracting 0. So let me check what is the subtracting 1 property. When we are subtracting 1 from any number, we get the difference of the predecessor of that number. We get the predecessor of that number. Then one more property we have, that is subtracting numbers from itself. Any number subtracting from itself, we get the answer or difference like 0. We get difference as 0. These are the three important properties related to subtraction when we are needed to doing the subtracting problem. First one is subtracting 0 property. We get the difference of number itself. There is no change in the value. Then second one is subtracting 1. We get the predecessor of that number. Then we are subtracting numbers from itself. Same numbers each other, we get the difference as 0. These are the three important properties related to subtraction. I hope all of you clear about this. What is the properties related to subtraction? Isn't it? Okay, very good. So, after studying these 2 points regards to more things about subtraction, so I hope all of you clear about what is the subtraction and how to do the subtraction and what are the things we needed to remind when we are doing the subtraction. So let me check how to do a subtraction problem by an example. I will discuss an example for the subtraction here. Here it is a 2 number, that is then second another number, here it is 2 number. We needed to subtract these 2 numbers. How to do the subtraction? First of all, before doing subtraction, we needed to arrange these numbers in proper place value order. Okay, how to arrange these numbers below? We needed to remind the first point. What is that? Always subtract a small number from the great number. Here it is great number 3849 and a small number is 2812. So let me arrange like that. First one 3849 subtract 2812. Okay. Here it is 2 number. We have already studied what is this number. Greatest number is called minuend. And smallest number is called subtrahend. And the final solution or answer we get, that's a difference. Okay, so let me solve. Always start from the ones place. This is the ones place, 10 place, 100 place and thousands place. Okay, first of all, every function we needed to start from the ones place. So let me check how to solve this subtraction. First we needed to subtract ones place digit, that is 9 minus 2. 9 subtracting 2. So we lost 2 numbers from 9. For the final get the answer of 7. Okay. Then next place, tens place, we needed to subtract 4. That another number is 1. 1 from 4, that is get answer 3. Okay. So next number is 100 place numbers, that is 8 and 8 is both are equal. So let me remind the properties. Same number subtracting, we will get the answer 0. Isn't it? So the last and final digit, that is thousands place digit. Here it is 3 and 2. Here is 2 subtract from 3. We will get the answer 1. This is the final answer we get for subtracting these 2 numbers, 1037. This is the method of doing subtraction. I hope all of you clear about the subtraction and how to do the subtraction. You can check out more with examples. Okay. Thank you for all. Have a nice day.